Okay. We're heading to the pool. Ayan. It's a beautiful morning here in Eindhoven. Hmm. It's the area. Walking. Alam mo, first time ko nakita itong araw ngayon. It's always gloomy, right, ate? Yeah. Yeah, and this Rakelstrat. And I never heard of this place. To walk.